de wudwuma nyina so wo ye transfers ahodo payments ahodo wo ye ni nyina no wo de eye omomo app no na eye wo wallet no ubetumi e de ayisika ewom from bank to wallet and a wallet to bank bibia savings ahodo ni nyina loan investments ahodo ni nyina so wo ye pensioner na wo pension hunsam sem nyina no ubetumi e de MTN momo app no e de sa adwuma de ni nyina ntimi ya me ka che won say dodo na ho ma e twen wo nti the chance awaits you now. Now be yana so be download the Momo app no. Na fe won so wo de adi wudwuma and then you too can say yes. Mensaka. Nti mensaka probo no e kwaso fa ho ehye mu bi. Na ma menyina hanan mo mfa nkra 20 na me ba. Me ne eye enuanom bi o ha e ba bedi nkomo. E ba sisia.
Bills set 2025 year and you da so wo homo bia wote wo kwa oni ejuma ye enti fa weni tre bills na beji loan na wo betimi dia ye wa wajuma we ye loan don komi wo hia hweo ye wo hia ne wo Ghana card e hwa na wo nsaka usika na se we obi a we ye wa wajuma wo pese wo tre mu ana se we ye juma ni a wo jibosomi aketua and your bill se bre na beji loan na wo mfa bibia siawowa collateral and NASA deposits who hear mu bia ain't ya feed bills se will be a wuni ejume bia ye ubetumi abeji loan don come no bi na se wut na fie na we nya sika no bi dia eye wow ain't for bills se sia it was 0596 920 833 and 0302 200 390 now what to me chia bills name HSA Kakrao Bank of Ghana and Sasha Bills Microcredit in Shishayase. Bills, financing your needs.
He wants. What's the wedding easy? Oh, you butu ankasa. Wakaka.
Messi, Lufat na wajima were you?
Hey, malaria drew Lufat. To my wedding were your hospital.
Sister, where I imagine there. Few hours to my wedding. No Mrs. Semu whom I shepe. Minkata was a mikunia. My husband is sick.
Hey, Jamo Tonodo. Nabas no yen.
What's the water tested positive for malaria?
No, not into one for ambulance no one.
Up ambulance. It's not a bicycle.
Hey, no, that's from Kakabo.
No, kick. Many wedding gonna me make up Nina. Sometimes nearest pharmacy. So one meji Lufat.
Entrance pharmaceuticals for one malaria now.
Inyo. No ye now. One chair. Mukuno china nenadi. A brand pa.
No kuniso. No pona waka that you make kiss the bride. If you want to show day.
No donna. Man ni ye donne.
Injija wo malaria enka won to them. Lufat. Eye malaria drop e sa igedi nkratwe fda hwehwemagia tum se eye
Liberty FM
abusia mame mo akwaba na pay emfa wo emraj bedi eso anopay mame mo we emfiri hotel emaw na yemfa ne ewo ho nso ento aso emfa maw anopay mi wanu anom yensa ewo menchen wa asia me no mo ebedi nkomo na wo mo efri eye Tobinko aso ye mewo eye Matilda Awotwe oye regional managers ewa ha say mewo Desmond Asamwa Bruce on so eye pharmacist ena menua Bema Redeemer Malonda Wen on so eye stock manager once otden
Vashanya mi adumo ho ye
ara wakatwi ya na ka fanti
me fanti
yeah fanti ni bodom ne enka fanti na
Meka.
Eka fanti. Yeah, sure.
Yes.
Na o fanti wako from kakra.
Because you don't usually meet people you see.
Hey. That face adaka pe no. I want to nyado ho. Ah, nta o me nwo fie here. Yen ka fie asem. Baby ka pe in the hode. A howar. Ana.
Sure.
Nice one. Bibia sure. Bro for lanko. My champion boss. It is
na me adom ho ye pa
yeah come
na me adom jabo
pharmacy here
mpacho you
good Bidima
Uja
ibi akoyi
yes madam very fine
ye wo mo taya Yesu adu I say no mo ni kukuduro ana me boa kukuduro no
oh Vimde
we sure
Vimde
okay Ma me fam free Desmond. So Desmond.
Yeah.
That them be pia hana pay.
And I pay the BECHEM with you for you.
Nice one.
If we Tobinco Pharmaceuticals, so now Kaino, mini manager, regional manager for Western North, Madam Mrs. Matada Watche, me a Mankasa, a pharmacist, and me and Bema, we did my along the way, or manage stock. Eba high, but chair at TFO Western North Finance, Tobinco Pharmaceuticals, a do papa fee, yen do papa Emma, I was young in my gunning in Ano, a bit PMO Western North. Na yeba hands wa yeba say making sure say quality of care na yeba hu de roni na no western of so benya omode and maintain ba
and maintain am ba yes malon champion pharmacist say mo dem ho e be kire keke say na be ya manfo be hu say yeah mo so mo around I hear na mo wankasa within the region and I'm more cut across.
Yes, I mean your vans are you do cost supply.
Okay.
You call Enchi na.
Oh yeah, Enchi part of the region. Yes,
yeah. You call Sekojokrum.
Yeah.
Yes, but you have some the tan also. That tunnel. So.
That no.
Yes,
oh,
that
okay.
tunnel.
That tunnel na more.
I wanna your office. But your vans are eaching all the regions.
Oh, which is more Australia kasi ankasa.
Yes, your warehouse ankasa kasi power that tunnel. Indro bia I for Tobinco bia no obe yo Indra obi won kan
onya
Tobinco bia no ha pepe so obe ya because Indro no e ho na e free e de ba
okay
nti Indro bia I for Tobinco bia no oba ya so ya obe ya bi and I we share vans no kuma obe ya bi
until you stop or ma you get it.
Yes.
Is it a matter okay my some managers my madam
yes
I can't be the boss, you are the madam. Enro no why mo sa na mo toma pharmaceutical companies no and pharmaceutical shops na say mo toma any drugstore na say.
So Tobinco, we are a pharmaceutical company. So
sure.
You're in Roma pharmacies, hospitals, then over the counter. We don't sell to yentoma individuals. So we expect the individuals and so we call either the pharmacy or the chemical shop no makoto. And I better still be call hospital. Nti yendro no ye the ma hospitals, pharmacy and a chemical shops.
Chemical shops. Nti me na me pedro bi ato me bam ho amonton ma me.
Mpacha debi.
Is it a matter say me sika na nso na say dey?
Mpacha debi. So we supply to the retail people like the pharmacies and the chemical shop. Sometimes we supply in volumes. We supply in boxes, but you, the patient, in Abia, will be here a packet. Yen turn in packet. That is why you demand or more mobility me ye ma or bako. And in Droni Bio also, the reason why yen turn ma end users straight in say, in Droni Bio a prescription you drew. Until you mean for and buy a whole directly, unless sometimes you get it from the hospital. So we prefer giving it to our main stakeholders. That is the hospitals, the pharmacies, and the chemical shop. Then you go buy from them.
I see. Let's take it that me, I am into drugs.
Okay.
Can I come to you?
Sure, we are open for businesses like that. So Oba, you know, fire documentations. No, if you qualify, then we'll definitely supply you.
What does it entail, pharmacist?
So when it comes to our end documentation, we need to ascertain say okay. So for example, like center manager kind, for hospitals, pharmacies, and over the counter, and also chemical shops. So before we can even supply you have to make sure that a registered chemical shop or even a pharmacy, even a hospital near hospital lady and corner hospital 2x4s exactly.
But how will you determine say a 2x4 hospital?
So in Ghana, I might be real. So obviously, in running trust, you have to be displaying all your HEFRA. So HEFRA, your Health Facilities Registration Authority. Register facility, as a facility need demo. So we have to check all these documentations. Even if the pharmacy near hospital, pharmacy council has to even register. So we call for all this documentation, get it verified. Verify we then we know that when a hospital and a chemical shop and a pharmacy, now we can actually do business with
wow. It's not say necessarily say because me wo me sika meet me better in volumes indeed. We walk in and then I'll come to buy.
Regulations matter,
sure,
so it will mean that so they have to track how invoices and issue out, where the drugs are going to the end user and all that, so that making sure say you don't go pay baby money. It will say money for the company itself. So we have to make sure that everything falls in line.
Mr. Stockkeeper Malone.
Yeah.
So what do we expect as general public from you as the stockkeeper?
Okay, me that's it. You see, and me say Ghana had it. Oka Tobinkwa. It's one of the best. It's the best, actually the best pharma company. We don't compromise on our quality. Anything quality can count on Tobinko. And you me say Lufat dear, a very household name. And if people are actually counting on Lufat has as a product has won several awards in Ghana. And if anything, if a product like this is come from Tobinko, so you can trust that Yendu Bia also from Tobinko is of the highest quality. And our quality assurance team, they are top notch. So they ensure that anything that comes out of the company or our manufacturing end, is something that is quality. Yes, it's quality. We are here to stay. We are here to offer the best of services to our clients.
More variety of products.
Yes, several. We have about more than 200 lines. More than 200 products. Or 200? Yes. 200 lines.
So, Lufat is one?
Lufat is one. We have Entramo. So, Entramo ranges. Entramo 500, Entramo 125, Entramo 250. Your Avite capsules, Avite syrup, cold relief capsules, cold relief syrup, and many more. And doing the also.
I've tried something from your hand. Is it a Dewema or something?
Yeah, Dewema. So we have Wemi suspension, or Wemi syrup. We have Abendazole syrup, and then Abendazole tablet.
Okay.
Yes.
I see. Yes. So, Momo de na, the two, a pegative and that of the Dewema itself.
Yes. So what is the Dewema?
Yes.
The Dewema. That's the Abendazole suspension, and the Abendazole tablet. Yes.
Okay.
And so baby you get. And so no even though it is quality, our prices are very, very competitive.
Yes. Managers, how different Tobinko entrance? And they are two different companies, yeah.
So they are the same one.
Okay.
So it's for the same person. So the Tobinko is the marketing company. So Entrance is the manufacturing plant. So they manufacture the product, then the Tobinko markets the product.
But under one umbrella?
Yes.
Oh, okay. So, as we deal with time, what exactly now person will capture the general public?
So I think what I want to me can share the general public say just like me colleagues for some time now, Natobinko were serving the region from Western region up until Western North came into existence, and we've been here since last year.
Last year,
yes. And for in totality, Western North omaji and never can say yadamwase for a certain Monday atna, and we are pledging allegiance that your best serving any pharmaceutical products you can think of. If you see any of our vans, you can go with your right document and you bet me as your office so data no baby amoye omoyin e wo kwan ho utwemu a obehu say there is this blue and white building uba ho any questions, any contribution, anything you want to know about the company, our doors are open for you.
Okay. Desmond.
Yeah.
Well, there's our own camera for. Okay.
Okay. So, send a manager coming on to account. Yes, Tobinko, we are here to actually offer the best. So, Mr. Main Cabro for So, by Abahano, ya pon within nearby. You may make sure say, enjoy a papa and ye benum. And our Western North community now. It's a very big place. We want to actually decentralize, making sure say nduru biara ope biara bebia wo biara brono biara wo so biara no nsa bɛka edu papa na nkoye sɛ Tobinko wo edu papa wo baabi na wo nkraman mu ho a ti ayaba ha sana me manager kan no service bia ope biara wopɛ wo ne bɛyɛ tenase ne bubu asɛm bi ho wo adwene bi kyerɛ bi wo ho wopɛ sɛ wo ne business bi anso a we are willing to actually open our doors to you and talk to you. Your data no about data no we have a very vivid staff. They will welcome you nicely. You come there, we talk about whatever reasons we are the buyer. You to make home come on. And room comes one some kind in as much as you can do no. Your other things go in your draw. Like, for example, like your cotton or any own consumables. So technically, adjunct to management or therapy. But the only need so we are 9 years over 12 or pay how do non-consumables cottons and any plastics and any other things. We have things of that sort. So baby and come be able to need to be a fine room, I find any room we are willing to actually talk to you about. One last thing I make account is send a manager kind entrance and Tobinko no. Two separate entities, limited liability companies under the same umbrella of Tobinko Group of Companies. Entrance on so your university. I training people from the doctor of pharmacy, training dental surgery, and as a doctor of dentist and a dentist. You were Bachelor of Medicine too, and you were in nursing. So these are the 4 programs that you run your entrance university. To be answer, I say when I joining healthcare professionals and also entrance also be an upon say umbra and between me and between me as well. So I come to make an account.
Ready, ma?
Yeah.
I mean, see, we can crab now, DJ.
Okay, so my last words on the manager, me a pharmacist, they will say Tobinko is known for quality staffs. And then, ope, it will be a quality. And the boss answer for Tobinko. And I will know, and we have said, we are chemical shop and a pharmacy shop, we took a kukumasi. We are here to stay. And then I make an advance a Western of Abia to Enche, to the Kayaso, to Osekojo Chrome, to the Biso. Yo, internet we have said, we took a kukumasi, say, Cope, Yendronibi, a higher Ubeboha. And I send a minion so a kind your office so open. Until we are a new shop, we are hospital. Now, per se, we need you can walk to our office and we promise to give you the best of services.
Mesomedase. Aduane ma wote wo mkan efri Tobinko adwumako no asoye. Wote wo mo regional manager enka Matilda awotwe. Oya Mrs. Anti mamemfa enka ho emfa no oya Mrs. Matilda awotwe. Ana Mrs. Okay. So oya Mrs. Matilda awotwe. Desmond de oya dakwa. Ana that's what Asaba Bruce so a pharmacist or a Tobinko as a Western North and a Benua Bema Redeemer Malone the one also a stock manager Western North region. Medomin Sanape one by and it's time for sports after this break.
What's wedding easy? Oh, you butankasa.
Messi, Lufat na wajima were you?
Hey, malaria drew Lufat. Jama wedding were your hospital.
Sister, where I imagine there, few hours to my wedding. No Missy Sim whom I shepe. Minkata was a mikunia. My husband is sick.
Hey, Jama Tornado. Nabas and Oyen.
What's the water tested positive for malaria?
No, never into one for ambulance no one.
Ambulance. It's not a bicycle.
Hey, no, that's from Kakabo.
No, kick. Many wedding gonna me make up Nina. Sometimes nearest farmers. Oh, one meji Lufat.
Entrance pharmaceuticals for one malaria druna.
Inyo. No ye now. One chair. Mukuno china nenadi. A brand pa.
No kuniso. No pona waka that you may kiss the bride. If you want to show day.
No donna. Man on your donor.
Injija wo malaria and kawo to them. Lufat. Eye malaria drop a sa igege nkratwe FDA ahwehwe magia to mu se eye.
Sister Fiaka Wakuma to Yem, Akatachia Royal Village Hotel, our rooms Makuma 40. Your air conditioned rooms with DSTV and free. Your bed be king and queen size. Conference hall for meetings, car park, restaurants, cocktail bar for both alcoholic and soft drink. Now, Shadismami say every Sunday, Sunday special at the blow. Yeah, Benku, Fufu, Nkonkonte, any mutu, Akatachia Royal Village Hotel. So we are here, Badin tour, birthdays, party for any children. Our Katachia Royal Village Hotel. Yachira Kwai, our Western North. Sahuyaso, Panoso.
Nabambo wants some sort to say.
Akatachia Royal Village Hotel. Your security is 24/7. Yababa who buy a Sembia Mahu. Sau Penche who be a friend number 0594263350. And I say 0549040570. Come and we will serve you better.
Hezake 4712 was a muni Janaba Namonfa Nihin Haba and some Hoyari, the Almighty Doctor. Metini Abdosuko Eweremua after Ghana share so a Beni. Akope Enubrene any Habama Ediaba Ghana Memu Ababenua Ediako Food and Transport Emma testify Agiatu. Amidi Edrono Aba Egamaiso. That's a drono a different thing altogether. Share a drono yeno Obama and a Messiah and Oba. It's a drono Baba Tobiana, the mouth top Bearman, no Asa to Obano so Asaka. Bearman no a Juma at the same police. And Obano so a Juma to say Suja. The drono Matunidin Al Garafa. Bearman a red. And Obano so a green. And yet, do I finish in no answer? No more 10 minutes. No, do not shall say a Juma. A year Juma, a 18. A year Juma, a Numpin. A Sayed Mo Mojam, Ubia, still catching an answer. Ubia, why Mra, Nimpomaya Mra, Untimi, and 19 Yasha, Ubia, when your accident, the awful for your operation. Na a crew a woolly pedium, stomach ulcer, a crew tree, a crew or yep, a crew or sick, a crew or heifer, a big cool crooner, tossa out garafa a baby, necono, nehadia.
Sawo Padudu to an ascent Chiremu Fufra, Fre 0249 749 797, and I 0242 024 840.
All right, I was Simon Akwaba, MFO Emra Liberty 92.7 FM. So, and it's time for sports. Bogati.
Bosses of the bosses.
Thank you. Prof.
Boss.
You get a year.
No Friday,
Alhamdulillah. Friday.
Yeah, nyamiadu me pa. So here dear.
Professor Dr. Dawood every year me
Yes, highly inflammable.
Oh, Togo.
Na say almost say highly inflammable.
Higher
inflammable. Yeah, higher inflammable. Same from Manson Airport. Boss player.
Massa.
And then Friday.
Thank you.
Boss in Friday, I'm seeing country since I'll buy Friday, I'm fine pay that. And then there was a Korokis.
If you didn't,
I don't want me silent, Yana.
Hey! Boss, this our fun bag. You are fan of bag.
Bag there,
some
quano
bag. I know.
Bag, a scabag.
Boss in here.
Babuga!
Boss in here. Now, and then,
okay. Okay, so pharmacist to her.
Yeah.
And the informant.
For man,
as usual.
Boss, not yet. Konica Cracapa, no big Johnny.
Yeah, for pharmacist.
Big one.
Pharmacist, and then my class.
Boss, ophthalmologist, not yet.
And then absent.
We absent.
Yes, and I made my ever Monday.
Yes, ever Monday.
Not in conform or mupe.
Yes, so no matters. No question.
Yeah, pharmacist.
Yeah, pharmacist.
Sir,
I don't know her.
Because
pharmacist,
but you are to be a better.
And I'm so tia.
Oh, better, baby.
I won't say.
I
don't know, but
man prepare.
Once
a soldier was a soldier.
Sir. The guy from pharmacist to our
boss. So that your mama.
Bye.
If you are not
pharmacist on the baby. Okay, one come at the man. One kaya home.
But I'm did the bit about pharmacist.
Pharmacist say befa.
O say befa. Hey. O be ye no ha befa. Oh, befa befa.
Abi o mu bi gate. E da aka. Emfa boss emfa.
It's
my house.
And then my class.
Teacher now.
What's the senior prefect?
I'm a shy.
Well, yeah, shy.
Teacher now buffer no brudo.
There is a word.
Hey, now be my class no word baby.
Oh, I had 26 letters.
Hey.
Yes.
Assemble kwani.
OSBN.
Ade
there is
so be only for there is also na my class. Etiatia assemble kwa be fa bag me ko. Also there is a word. I have 26 letters.
And crawling na
Oh.
Pharmacist to how?
I'm crawling
and a hippopotamus.
Hippopotamus I how many letters?
26.
And those papa.
26. No, 26.
Hippopotamus.
Spell me hippopotamus.
Hey boss, and then Friday and they are must
teacher in now
hippopotamus. Where some nyabu tefa pena me yin makuma.
HIPP.
HIPP. Aha.
What's a new? I just a Greek word.
Oh,
Greek.
Hippopotamus.
The worst now we can
that be also hippopotamus. There is a word. I have 26 letters.
I word back.
Word back. Yes.
I liberty then 2.7 50 also. Only I
have one word.
I boom.
I
can't answer no the yanka.
I normal
26 letters.
Hey, I didn't so.
Papa my young giant where your question for today. Yeah, they come Monday.
You better assignment.
You better the Monday.
Homework. No me channel. We why. We makase
why.
It's on my assignment.
Sentimentality. Me say there is a word. I have 26 letters.
Okay.
What is that word?
I just say homework.
And then homework.
With the diagram.
Homework.
Say your madam do homework.
And starting with A. Now ended with M. What was that? Watching the phone. What?
So a video.
What the old true phone? I never said there is a word that starting with A.
And I send a judge
M. But the word now 26 letters.
Boss, a New Year's.
Where sure?
English word. English word. Me what? English word.
English.
This shirt will be a cancer.
And Monday, and as my mama, there is a word before so you pronounce from one end to the other end. No, also to try 1 mile. 1 mile, oh boy.
Homework with you, bro.
Yes, after the year, Monday, you are the pharmacist. What is that? Let's be the farm. One more line.
Simple.
Hey, me who had me at you. Now sending 2 answers by fire. Everyone.
I'm say off. Okay.
The phone that do.
Boss, I
go there with some
boss.
And I ain't
boss, now won't send P now.
Yes.
Now me had my Sunday KOTOKO big game.
Okay.
And
all right. And then my minja mama.
But boss,
some baby
Ghana for Yeniabre.
Ade.
On say the year 2009.
Yes, sir.
And the 20 Kwaji World Cup.
Yes, sir.
The whole Africa will be anye. And one year do. And few more will be Ghana and qualify. Morocco qualify for final against Egypt. Against Argentina.
Hey, manager is stockkeeper. Why a wild?
Money abre.
Why none or more
up to now.
Up till now. So,
boss,
Ghana for the Nancy from say, Yema Morocco from Kwaji. Because I do ye the do Ghana ye did
Morocco Gia Omaba Kaya.
Yes, Morocco Gia, Omaba Ompo de fresh.
Emma.
Yes, and chip crowns in Ghana food in Argentina. Yami my Sunday.
Thank you.
Ghana, Argentina.
Young Granny.
And no. Buga.
Yes, sir.
So
yeah, be a cost of
and then Friday.
Yes.
Sir, Lord, give me
no hoya pan. I'm here to miss
Yes, we are fine. Now, and they also wake up on the Sicily. I started the last time. On say you're more on a 20.
Yeah.
Yamia to on the 17th.
Okay.
Now, draw number Abba.
Okay.
Yes, yeah, Saka draw no. Now, Africa, or more qualify Africa, South Africa qualify. Morocco, qualify Senegal.
Yeah.
And so to be qualified Tunisia, qualify Zambia, qualify Mali. And so to be qualified.
Yeah.
And in Uganda, almost to be qualified. Omuna room. Burkina Faso, and so qualify Egypt.
Yeah.
Hey.
Women
Ghana to qualify.
Any who
Ivory Coast qualify.
Ghana nim.
Ghana nimo.
Afcon
under 17.
Afcon.
Yes.
Nanu ya any Cote d'Ivoire for call final.
That be we no. I wake up.
Wake up better than Yankobi.
Yankobi.
And then Yankobi.
Yankobi.
And the Amfa.
80 draw number. Yeah, me to Ghana. Amount for Ghana.
They said
I did.
Money number.
Eddie be yanko photo Facebook or sonora pay. Na yɛnhwɛ sɛ deɛ nema se continue deɛ yɛwie international break no ɛtafe ne yɛkɔ na kyɛ sɛ ɛyɛ link no ɛno nso atumi yɛtotwa na pepe nso atumi ka mehyɛ ase deɛ a na menhyɛ ase mfamfɛ ɛyɛ La Liga na wotwa yɛ big games nso ɛne ɛyɛ Friday ɛne game pe tumi yɛtotwa ɛne Ray Oviedo nso pet na fie wɔn ne S Panyol nso te peponi ɛne ɛyɛ Friday 7 PM ɛna this particular game no and a pretty me to try. Yami to my chance Saturday. Watch that Sevilla and so a pet in a fee. Woman Ray Mayoka and so Tepe Pony FC Barcelona and so Namia Toma and I watch Ramoni Girona and so Tepe and Tamso a 2:15 and a top particular come Yamia Toma. Watch a pretty me to try. Yabenya Villarreal. Woman Ray Petis at Tepe Pony. Atletico Martin. Abishatima. Yef Osasuna. We a Saturday games here. Yamia to watch them and so petty me to car. Yan Sunday games now. Ye Penya 80. Woman Atletico Pepao and so te Peponi. We a Sunday. Ye Penya Santa Vico. Woman Renzo Sanotan and so te pay and Tamso. Ye Penya Leveti. Woman Volcano and so te Peponi Gatefi. Abishatima. Ye Ferry Martin. 80 Premier League now. And La Liga. After international break now. We a games here. Pay to me out on Monday. Ye Penya Deportivo Alaves woman in Valencia. No almost at Japoni. Where I come here. Yami and Toma. I coming weekly and started from them and I Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Ever La Liga. I come here. Pay to me out and another pay. Me tell some answer tomorrow. I want to buy so. ATP finance for the on Facebook. No young query and so on. Now on Facebook, what him Sanya Sanketwa, Aquatana, and the old pot to Antes Reden. What him say yes, ATP Tota, not Wayatian, and Tota, not Otawumani, and then Tiatan one day, and I am 30, no, and they Oko Frenchly car, and also games from, and I am 30, and Shassia, ye Benyon Paris Saint Germain, and your PAG, woman Strumpet at the Peponi, Sankame, and says, I am 45, and a top particular camera, Yamia to my name, and bet me out to jar, your Penya OJC Nisano, Omni Olympian, Nessa Leo, and your pay and Thomas Amia Toma, watch the Saturday, your Penya Angus, Omni AS Monaco, your Penya Olympic Temasin, Omni Tima, your fellow heavy, where I am Miss Smart, and Tema Olympic Temasi, and confirm Petimat to pay 5 goals, Massa. Pierre Emmanuel François Pamian, Danny Pera Permasa, on from Quantani Yankokra, or Bebom paper, the animals to make come on, young just Sunday, I comes here. Yamia to Betuka, and so Frantica, ye Benya Lanes, Womni Police Samsi, ye Benya Renes, Omni Tima, ye AJ Oze, Woman Sotia Peponi, ye Benya Laurentino, Womni Tima Fem Plus at the Payan Tamso, ye Benya Toulouse, Womni Mes Tima, ye Fernandes, Eddie Lee, and Sotia Peponi, and another pay, Mentalalica. Any ayetase French Liga aye almost so factors now to be a games a Petuka and so demo a we are shamming Yamin for Jamai aye Bundesliga Italian Serie A and the all-mated Premier League now meant for almost so factors on for the weekends now and for the animal so to make come on ATB finance on Teso now you're interested University na Canadian and it's so kind of 70 aye wake up Yamia to man aye tuka and so meteon sam and tuka na aye kata and a sub tournament now and so petimia tuka na and group A na se group factors on and so nya peka na group no senate kata aye Osinesi ye benya kata ye benya Italy ye benya South Africa and Bolivia where we aye countries and where we group A ye ko aye group B ye benya Japan ye benya Morocco ye benya Omaya ye fe new aye Caledonia and so ye benya Portugal and mo pay tiepa and a in between now we're in Japan from your stop on aye Morocco France ya stop and Portugal enti empire shiepa yenko aye group C ye benya Senegal ye benya Croatia ye benya Costa Rica and Oman ye say UAE and so timia qualify United Arab Emirates almost timia qualify almost aye group C yenko aye group D ye benya Argentina Belgium Tunisia and Oman ye aye Fiji and South Country region no be a channel watch a same paying Argentina Belgium Tunisia and Fiji and just a birthday and yan Sanketo cry where are you go D yanko a yanko P ye penny England aye Venezuela ye benya Omaya Haiti ye benya Egypt almost so group B yenko group F ye benya Mexico ye benya Korea Republica Ivory Coast and Omaya ye first Switzerland almost so group F ne group G ye benya Germany Colombia Korea and Omaya ye Fero El Salvador almost aye group G ne group H aye Brazil ye benya Honduras and so ye pay Omaya ye for Indonesia and Omaya for Zambia from Africa and a group H na group I know a United States of America aye to the USA Burkina Faso ye pay Omaya ye for Czech Republic almost hormo let's anyone so to me come on na group J ye pay Omaya ye from Paraguay Uzbekistan ye pay Panama and Omaya, ye fed a Republic of Ireland, almost all group J, now group K, France, Chile, Canada, and Uganda, and group L, ye Benya Mali, New Zealand, Australia, and Saudi Arabia, and Twin. Under 17 and Quata 17 years. We are say that's a Muko Koshian, a wake up and so kata. That anyone saw to me, come on, Ghana, young Timmy qualify Ghana Jane. Once out to Samarino, or Mana Jagu, Bibia, then Sena Saddam, and Yamia Boma Ghana, young Timmy qualify wake up for me. Now, Afcon. Yen Timian qualify, what I say, ye senior son or my Timian qualify, and 17. And some qua, almost so Timian qualify, and 20, almost so many Timian qualify. A two say Ghana says, I am Chemwater, I am Miss Matt, I am Ensempi, I am Pomponchi, I am Mataramakwe, and the Porompam Casamqua, and the Wokuma, that's why, Photoso, no Encheminising, no opinion, your fellow Bugatti. And Jacka, about to so bugger. Your face to book no somebody dead.
Yeah, cast, play
yes,
cast.
We are remounted. I'm a prayers no.
Yeah.
BMW.
Porsche.
Buga me pay me more now.
Come a bruta, come and let him.
Can't wait.
Hey.
Prayers in the 200. Yes.
Wow.
Prayers in the
Sikani.
BMW.
Pierre than a car.
Pierre than a car.
Mother, dear boy.
We are sick there. We are seeing no. We are Yami. We are seeing no. yɛni hwee ka yɛde yɛnka hwee nkɔmfo sika we ka nyɛ sɛ ɔmo kɔtɔ yo
ɔmo nyinaa so wɔ bi
yes
ɔmo nyinaa wɔ bi
ɔmo wɔ bi dada yɛsɛde bia pii ɔmo so
ɛyɛ bia ɔmo de ba
ɔte ase
kanie
enti sɛ wohwɛ ɛyɛ Rudy Gamo a mabɔ bɛyɛ 3-4-5 years na saa cars ni afi bia ɔmo gye baako sɛ oje afibia obesaji ba kwa ka
nti ka ya ka be ri o
asɛmbe ni
ka bebre
bone be ni aye wiase bone be ni aya ye de yenya bie BMW remodel prayers no na omotiama omo chese yes nyame antoma omo se sa cars o metwi enso da kwahye tima ye FC Barcelona on the next week El Clasico enso petimi antoja me pa chefo ba kroto so na mi mfansie na opening for fisam no enso emfomai na bi benso etinya kama na ene Ronaldo otim say yes top scorers no and I say yes all time goal scorer apparently so patroye pa was 948 goals our football career or just na opetimi anto aye chese 1000 na enema nso atimi kama na enije de otosu bienu aye Leo Messi aye 86 goals and a propenia ye Leo Messi enso atimi ase ye peyo penia ye fail to save aye Pican was 85 goals and so ye penya France aye Puskas as 760 goals and so ye penya Pele na se word Pele was 757 goals our football career ye penya Penia ye Romario Esha 49 743 and Penia ye Gek Mulan Esha 720 goals 80 Openia ye Leo Ferron HSA Cristiano Ronaldo dos Santos Avaro was 948 goals was just was petty mention 1,000 goals our football career na be penso to me come we Ronaldo na on samno and I'm dear to try our Germany so anya sankato asante ma memfansie na openia you ready for all and then we be want to asase many call na yemfa fisam no enso emfam no e Germany so and they tima yemfa PSG Paris Saint-Germain obu players no Ousmane Dembele aye Marquinhos Bacola and a bunch of HSA aye Desire Doué and a bunch of yemfa Quaiscaria almost starting aye training gradually one more just anyone and so petty me akoye and so there was a be a link no and even for Champions League no anyone and so timi afa and Tematima yemfa Beijing with absent of this players no omukwachi bossa and tomu level 80 one just home in a bar and never so petty me for Bhutan and Tema Paris Saint-Germain Namia Toma now chi awie Krobia Sante Kotoko Wukuma Pima ewo game 80 Mr. Boache Frederick Bugatti Yentie wonsem.
Okay, me da say for prof na mo tin kan of pay say o dem no ne seminar no and so e de ababa do me be fi na pay me so ofisam kakra me nsa kan no ma baba ye ho adwuma and so dia ma be so se na me admo o tire me da ne kwese so no Ghana Premier League be san so ato so na pay me de wonsam no and so de ba so kom enya me admo o china 3 pm so kwata ko na bo so parka e ya media ma ane samatex afei me da ko no 11 wonders veteran Swadru Sport Stadium one and Kara United afei Dream Steps betra 2 bars to no so one any nature something na ba ko 3 pm simultaneously and as our games so na so e betimi akoso na me adma Sunday games how do also betimi akoso Uramo Golden City Parker Bekum Chelsea one any Hasselhoff area 3 pm afei BECHEM United for betra na for Sujiabo Park one any Vision FC area 3 pm afei uko Hohoi Sports Stadium Hohoi United any Aduana Stars and na eri ebesiani Swadu Oblastin betra Swadru Sports Stadium one any Basake Oli Stars ni na bekoso area no me sasanso and na oba bibiani haya no bekoso our dance park one any Heart of Land na wasanka Kotoko ebo young apostle be the omnisa and am say Kotoko ebo CAF Confederation game untino yetimi apostle one na me adma Sunday the na sam to wa Sports Stadium is Saba Kumasa Saneko Kone Bobo ku e fani say World Cup Morocco ya bompa se Kotoko team no so betuma din komo na no ye players ne bon komo na obi aka ne kasa mu se o se na me adoma Sunday supporters ne ba na mo be cheer team snap na fa nkunimdie ekọ enso de mo bi nti wa bra na supporters ne so na se players no esu efe supporters ne so obi amra.
Je m'appelle Gilles Bani Samba, le capitaine d'ASANTE KOTOKO. Chers Fabulous, je vous appelle ce dimanche. Venez massivement nous supporter. Fabulous.
Hello, my name is Kamara Mohamed. I want all of you to come and support us this Sunday game. Fabulous, the best.
Oh, Achomi Joseph, I'm a player of ASANTE KOTOKO. Me, I'm of five. We support the CFI. Now, member, now we support you. Sunday game, okay, Morocco. Work of Morocco. Never support our Sunday game.
My name is Walid Hussein Nema, fan and football lovers. To tell match at Kayaso Stadium. To the Lania House, so you were supported to Marcia ASANTE KOTOKO Sunday. Tibora, yes, the Lana Mokratica Yella Gasum Kote. So Yelaman de Yella, Puro Walid Hussein Nema, in Zelayana Ha.
Joe, Sunday, a class post stadium, the network of Morocco. The supporters and say, we are on the support.
Say for him who much head was the Amazon for Congo, Amabara, Lord Amon. It's so much, but see that a yellow bab over Kai or a Casco Stadium. Out of the boy, the work of Morocco, Jacoboni, a yellow what they see. Now she ran out his way when they marching on Sunday. See, Mr. KOTOKO supporters and prayers. Check yellow black Casco Stadium.
That yes, a lot of what yes, so you for Jamia Sunday when you are now better now for Muntim and you could never know your name a year communication data and so I Kumasa Hariko Pania, Nidi answer the lawyer, Sapu the court, Samusa, Nakopoya to my question that GTV Sports Plus at Jatum game no, ever so live on TV. You are brand or confirm so dear Mayeno.
Management of GTV for that bold decision and that business mentality and having the nation at heart to telecast the match live for most of the Ghanaians who will not get opportunity to come to the stadium on Sunday to watch the match. We highly commend you for that, and we pray that it doesn't end here. Let us build that relationship so that in our subsequent matches, be it Africa or local, you continue with the alliance. And yes, the game is coming live, and from whichever angle you look at it, it's going to be a tough game. It has never been easy for Ghanaian clubs when they come face to face with their North African counterparts. But I think KOTOKO has not fared badly against North African sides, especially when we talk about WAC. When you look at the records, they show that KOTOKO have done well, except for that.
Well, what is so for communication director and the so the law somebody could chat and my Sunday what went to me across post the game no and so everybody what GTV now for bias when you bias now him say no KOTOKO for year training our cross post them we and I to support the players he decided to that be or say the jama na players just the confidence no can be so Sunday they work for on the TBM ya pa yentie players wa bro mu year training ewie no. Ati eye mora do mi aduma mi say Sunday dey KOTOKO for team no on beti me abo akumbruta na ye shift attention na ye ni komo kakra blasters asure mi say ya to say players how do pira na ajatum say mi adum na say o to do tun safro wo mu ina beti me aba abesia ka dia mo ma gani ati say players ma kun kro na players ajatum say we dia blaster mo tun safro na ne be na players re bi say kalumas no do say o mo prefer mi ameba afedi nketia we me love you no sina karama chess so we gana ni ono so baby of JD Nade, JD Nausu Odro, Alex Matos, Tarek George Echampo, Derek Kone, Eti Press Makuma Kunkroche, so Munina Ghana for the Toronto Suffer Munina Beba. Now, Intia in Kentia, cover much and say, so told friend were quite them, Obetmaba, no be Siaka and so their mom, I can Intia in Kentia.
So obviously, like you said, my parents are both Ghanaian of Ghana heritage, so yeah, of course it's a possibility. You know, I think I'm open to both, whether it's playing for Ghana and obviously England as well. Like I said, I've played through the youth team, so naturally, when I was obviously younger, it just made sense. Obviously, they called me up to go and play for them. So.
Ti I was about na who to we didn't get them so ono de ne family ne ma ne papa o mu nyina ye Ghana for ti aton sa friend what him say na so ba na obe tontena pint na and so mo my Ghana on him so former na so ne former Ghana sa o le gusu si akadma brasa ne dia de Richard Ofori obe kai say Cote d'Ivoire for course man chibo na kipo yi kwache no na eno ene ne bongo for na o sina kan South Africa team and din and so e di Amazulu na watchim say oni o to de gusu bonko mo o to de ne kasa bibi e koye no no gusto ye dumadem se be do so to suffer na which the phone just so ready so bet ma bato so now so see akadia mo ma into which the for
yeah every player's dream is to play World Cup. Sometimes it's a good thing that the country has qualified for a fifth time, which is congratulations to the country, because it wasn't an easy journey. Even when you check from home, you can't sit well because it's too hectic. Because even if you check the South African, the last game and everyone there, it was really tense. So I would say congratulations to the nation Ghana, and then the Black Stars. They have done really amazing job. We have done it again, because we did it in Nigeria. I was there, so we have done it again. So we look forward for good preparation as a players, and then we need to prepare well, and then we need to face the challenge that is coming, because it's a big stage for every player, every Ghanaian player who will show up. So opportunity is there. So we are preparing so well, trying to push every day, try to do things right, everything, and then. So it is going to be exciting World Cup. Yeah.
Have you spoken to the
Yeah. I'm still playing, so I'm working hard, and then focusing on my team at the moment, which is that's what you need to do for you to be there, because you can't sit at the bench, or you can't sit and then just wake up and go. You know. So I'm working hard in my team to help my team. In the league, and then the rest will take over.
I remember last time they named you as the vice captain. I think Thomas Partey was the captain. Have you spoken to the coach or to see if he was reinstated at the
No, recently no, but before he used to call me, and he's a
not the search for each other, but let's go to suffer and already quite them about the edgement here. Bumpire, sir, the phone is for the bet me about for when do so. Now, so talk about you bet me about for Bayadima. Now, would me so cardima, but you bring now or Tina Cardimagana or Yadima poem for Dynamo. After my badu better, you know, sir, ye co companies yet to suffer local players number one. Koyada bomber football to me because you local player. Now, Konya for the World Cup, no ball Palmer team no, and I saw man and so team Epic.
It's two things. Economically, it will be prudent to get a lot of them there, because the FIFA money that will come will be very good for the club, and it will help the league economically. The other side is, I proved myself when I was playing for BECHEM. I proved myself when I was in the U20. I proved myself when I got to the CHAN. So the national teams are there. They should put themselves and get there so that the coach can call them.
And now some get to an so you look up and see a ton of them. I hear point 20 subs for at my two that's how we play at the so can be so yeah for so you look up player and one or yeah name will be able to dinner now. Wouldn't say I don't see now 24 pinaka sub ready to the sea. Now we are the transfer for the good year with some more dano ever so at the Baba to what propaganda pay so them on this seminano and so at the Ababa Domiti at the water for the great man from himself Bugatti.
Amandishie, a son of Quampa, your first Sumian customers in tea, Apa Menfield Bank, Abaya Bank here, Duduan Wajatum, Abe for Quanya, your demand is coming now. You will be Express Automated Clearing House, Mobile Money Transfer, Apex Link I Transfer, and a Western Union. Your branch said this way. You were electronic banking, so. 24/7 ATM services. Baby any, Sashiba Kwai, Sashijunasi, Asankagwa, and the Dunko of Fame. You switch bankers drafts and a SMS alert here. A man who dear cost our account to Mono, and also come home. Apa Menfiura Bank dear. Yansamu, you were easy loan products. And my abandu my phone na lebra Apa Menfiura Bank. There were 17 branches and more. Asankragwa, Aguna Menfi, Sashijunasi, Sashioso, Sashibekwai, Sashakwantomra, Dunkon of Fen, Diaso, Babiani, Swamada Diaso, Yukwa Himai, Denchira Subin, Wasadrabo, Ajakamansu, Sashinzaura, Awasu, and a Fufrokra, and Swaba Sashi Asampane, and near Medidra, Nemfasu Boom, Embra Usikaso, your head office, our San Kwasu, Freyan 0243 116 966, and 0244 948 600. Afi 0549 040 570. Apa Menfi Rural Bank. Yeni mufretete. Apa Menfi Rural Bank. Ya shumoda.
Yesi ebadia. Banki bia kade.
Me bajunia mengro ma bravo hopai. Hey.
Na wani na aji a woje oba grosa no
na ade a wonyame nam dota mu a owo personality natural health care so aye ero na di bani dia say yo
peske awo hu nsem de otenete se wo kase mu obuo ko prostate aye kese ama onya dwonso mu amanuhunu ana empaso mroyo
say yes stroke diabetes hepatitis B pressure 60 yade afichi kroma manihunu enamu yade hodo ene yade bia wo
ne se wa na me di oluman eni oledi kwa check up o wo mfidie pa me ye na duma triku ani na nse mi double no who ni sen
hey I'll grow here
oba o pese o hips anase o to eya akese ye ye ho adwuma sanso ene se stretch marks ajo wedi aboso a eno nso ye yi free ho berima oba masua na pese o pagyamu no bra ye be pagyamu ama obe hu peske ewo Accra La Paz Nyameche Junction ye wo Crown Prince School no achiwa Kumasi G runabout Medila bachi ope baby ani ede se human rural bank wo mu no sawiye oso empomam ye ne Church of Pentecost ene di nhwanimu takwa Roman stores opposite Zenith Bank
Sunyan ofri Kumasi KOTOKO house Rex ye ne total filling station no ne di nhwanimu
Fre Peske ewo 055 773 8555
Peske
quality hair
no sir.
Sir, mpanyin kasa numsuo twen opa na enye nsuo bi akekeo ne mineral water ne sachet ene dispenser bottle ye nsuo a ya hyeda aye ede ekum won sukom Density natural mineral water pebinom water anio yenum nsuo di kum yensukom nom density natural mineral water biaya yeye nsuo no tie pa yewo 500 milliliter sachet ena 19.5 liter dispenser bottles ma afiafie ne offices hwehwe yechikwan wo number 27 New Rix 604743 ana 0208 466256 na koto bi ye wayefro ayiye ene badwam nhyiamudie density natural mineral water insu papa nie FDA age adwadie nkratoyi yi atum
Hezake 47:12 was a muni Janaba Namon Hinin Haba and some Hoyari, the Almighty Doctor, Metini Abdosuko, a Remua, Atragana Sheso, a Rabini, Akope Enubrene, any and Habama, Ediaba, Ghana Memu, Ababenua, Ediako Food and Grass Board, Emma testify Agiatu, Amidi, Edrono, Abba Egamaiso. Sadrono, a different thing altogether. Share Edrono, Yeno, Obama, and I'm saying Oba. Interview no ba Tobiana, me ma top Bearman, no asa to Obano so asaka home. Bearman no air the Juma at say police, and Obano so air the Juma to say soldier. The Drono Matuni being Al Garafa, Bearman air red, and Obano so air green. ɛnyɛ duru afe ne ɛsɛ nom no nansa nom a 30 minutes na aduro no ahyɛ ase ɛyɛ adwuma ɛwɔ ɛntini mu ɛyɛ adwuma ɛwɔ nnompe mu ɛsa yɛ adwuma wɔ mogya mu obi a stroke akyerɛ anaasɛ wabubu agu hɔ obi a wayɛ mmerɛ a ne mpom ayɛ mmerɛ a ɔntumi ɛnnantentimi nyɛ hwɛ wabubu agu hɔ obi a wanya accident bi a wawo foforɔ yɛayɛ operation na ekuro ɛwɔ nipadua nkuro nyinaa tɔ saa algarafa aduro bi ne kɔno ne hadeɛ
sɛ wopɛ dodoɔ atu anaasɛ nkyerɛmu foforɔ a frɛ 0249 749 797 anaa 0242 024 840.
Abia bi neto ebra na mese aye yellowish color bia onhu nani so kra yi me the toothpaste ahodo a wo wiase nyia twi mese na mese entime nya fita se de mepe no ko sisa madamfo bi a kire me
Active Point Dental Clinic
na bra me dru wa na me hu se me haw no to nyina atwa don hwere ba ko pentem mese na aye fita yi sese metime sere e wo ba bia meko bia obi bia nso wo medical condition bia amana nya yellow teeth brown teeth and green teeth no
Active Point Dental Clinic
ewo hu nimdi a won betimi ama o se no asan ye fitaa biem won san wo teeth whitening home kit and a medicated foam toothpaste teeth whitening pen and betimi dia mo akofie na wakoto aso ayusu hwehwe Active Point
Dental Clinic
awo danyame omo be ultimate FM nchen ho a
Obuase Dunkwa Junction 9 miles kwan no so Sunyane OA bus terminal Omni Cocoa House dinche ni mu Search Junase GPRTU market ho Shell filling station inside
and afre 03223 96802 and 0554 571779. Active Point
Dental Clinic.
Get a whiter teeth in just a day.
Madra wine, Braha, Medemu Pana, wouldn't Bobby Briapati Hasano. And I feel the old had Jastuana. One Munra was the Biaso Honto, Media yet 10% and 20 in every demua.
Yeah, Mira, Miss Rafata, my wife, my Madrid, some assistant to one craft for that. Every say, Messia Majunka, 3P garlic mixture, Mira, and no one may last stop.
Nasa 3P garlic mixture, the Biamekan was central. No for Tingy, they say they want a two for.
Mira, may say, minimum 3P garlic mixture, no, may feature Como Haunina.
Uhumuyi Arabia Film, 3P garlic mixture, a Buama Moja Dia Fusani would be Pedrenum, and it says stroke, asthma, IMT, and monopause, Akumayare, Bojanu Wuswatare, Wanisu Tabri, was Sano on Tire Treaty, and Ayana Chichon, Honam Tayo Basabasa, Bodrana 3P garlic mixture, 3P garlic mixture, and I make come for a mouth. Kaisa 3P garlic mixture, Yanua, a garlic moon and Ra, Yatucha Yemfa, bien from a pure garlic extract, 3P garlic mixture, food and drugs authority, Ashishema Jet, 3P garlic mixture, Ubenyabu Ghana Fanana, Jinase, Ubenyabu Philomena Fosia drugstore, Esther Arta drugstore, Brad Charles drugstore, Mr. Boja drugstore, Zawara drugstore, Bia, Ubenyabu Wako, Madam Obakia drugstore, Sankore, Apau drugstore, Fred 0248 92 garlic mixture, a fully organic. Yari Bias Road.
I'm look from when you call it.
I'm on for send your bear your form near quiet betina. Na a real Sacrayan Susasona Prasinti and a GCFRP and the Red Plus the and Nebo Jumade Abremo. It's true, Emma. When I said be with them and Mebunu, I need to cut na for no measure migrants. As I say, na ya de Yahushi, near dear Dimia, may a boy a quiet who by Yason Faso. Intimacy, Ubianiabi, Nia, Ubianiabi. Moya kwaye hopa Nenuna de sika beba Ubianye bebenya carbon credit Ofrenyebi, Bebunyebi, Ebenyebi Na owa sunyebi Na moa moa sintonsu Ubianyebi. The Enable Initiative is proudly sponsored by GCFRP.
Ebi ho stickers design baby leather and material papa yade yankonya asande yampa leather yade leather pragya ankonya and car so dia glue yawa 99 and a top band carpenter for so mutu so nyina bi wo ho and dia mo de ye adwuma yesa wo paint na hodo no nyina bi beti say home paint DTM paint flamingo oil paint and a local paint foreign paint so ho no so color wo pe no me amexe dia mo de ni ria yama won chance papa wo de bow down so mosquito nets black and blue wire mesh padlock alarm dia and a high security na when you are comfort quanta mobile comfort at 68 enterprise and that's a mafia basto I'm a massimi fee na asidanka me fira what it me sakanyo no anka man china korea comfort at 68 enterprise and that's a mafia basto I was a huguenas nana dick filling station wa fair manager
Nana Pia, I was Sahuma through 4 ways. 0541 087624. I feel like Fiaba Stone, tenant Tibia, Bessinifia.
Liberty FM